Robin Williams' estate, his children, and his first two marriages, now battling his widow over who gets what. And at the center of it all, Williams' collection of personal memorabilia, including those famous suspenders he wore in the show Mork and Mindy. ABC's Lindsay Janice is here now with the story. Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning, Lara. Robin Williams' widow says she's simply seeking clarification on parts of her late husband's will, but his children say by challenging the trust their father so carefully put together, she's attempting to get more than what he left her. This morning, Robin Williams' children speaking out, locked in a bitter legal battle over the comedian's estate with his widow, Susan. The megastar's third wife asking a judge to help clarify which items were left to her and which to his children, alleging in court documents that just days after his death last August, co-trustees of the estate had her husband's personal property removed from the couple's home in Tiburon, California. Court documents revealing Susan became frightened of the co-trustees who had keys to the house invading her home, seeking to strip her of items she believes were left to her in the trust, like the tuxedo her husband wore to marry her less than 3 years ago, and a promise ring, and his expansive collection of watches.